Spoken Class Lesson 4 Punctuation. Punctuation marks. The full stop, நிறுத்தல் குறி. This is used to indicate the end of a sentence. Exclamation mark, வியர்ப்பு குறி. This is used to express surprise, joy, sorrow, wish or blessing. Interrogation mark or question mark, வினாக்குறி. This is used at the end of direct questions. Comma, காட்புள்ளி. Comma marks a very short interval. Semicolon, அரைப்புள்ளி. Very long coordinate clauses which are separated with commas are further separated with semicolon to make them more meaningful. The colon, முக்காட்புள்ளி. Colon is used between coordinate or opposite clauses which are not connected with a conjunction. The apostrophe, நிறுத்தக்குறி. This is used to make possessive adjectives from nouns. The hyphen, this is used to hyphenate the compound nouns and adjectives. The dash, this is used to mark a further description of something which was mentioned before. Brackets, அடைப்புக்குறி. A further description of something which is mentioned in the sentence is kept in brackets. Quotation marks or inverted commas. மேற்கோட்குறி. When we want to emphasize a word in the sentence, we write it with inverted commas. Asterisk. This is used to highlight statements in point form. Ellipses. When a sentence or some words or some letters are dropped, ellipsis is used to mark it at the end of the sentences or paragraph. Slash or oblique, வெட்டுக்குறி. This is used to separate the words or numbers in a line. Subscribe my channel.